Level 1, Activity 1. This is a simple one about power. So there are many different synthesizers and keyboards that are powered on this little station that you have. But the first thing that you need to check before we talk about powering on these individual synths is that all of your power bars down on the floor, and you'll figure out which one you have. There are some that are connected to the big carts here, some that are just simply plugged into power bars on the floor. You need to make sure that that's turned on. So that's the first step. Second step, and these should all be turned on, but for some reason they may have been turned off. All of the power bars from the floor are plugged into the power bars on the back of the racks. So you can check that that's also turned on. There's a power reset button right here. They should always be turned on. Next, we have our 4 synthesizers. So once our synthesizers are plugged in, you'll notice that they're actually not on. So what you need to do is hold down the power button for about a second until you see everything light up. So there's the drum, there's the bass, here's the keys, and here is the looper, or the sampler rather. Now you'll notice that when the when the power bar from the floor is turned on, automatically you'll see lights on your micro amp and your micro mix turn on. So you don't have to worry about turning those on. But if they're not on for some reason, check the power supply, which is right here and up top on the far left right here. Now, for some reason, if these machines aren't turning on, if these synthesizers are not turning on, well, perhaps your 9-volt adapter here is not plugged in properly. So, well, look at that. There must be batteries in this one. What you're going to want to do is make sure that these are all firmly plugged in, and then everything should be turning on. One more thing to add is that you do not need to turn on and off these keyboards. When you turn on the power on the floor, they will automatically illuminate like this. So you'll see they're all lit up and ready to go. So for now, that's the wall power that we're talking about. We'll get into batteries in a different activity.